Hi, and thanks for dropping in. My reveal today is a bag by Stella McCartney, which comes in this beautiful dust bag, Stella on it, and I hope you can see that. And so let's get her extricated from the bag. So here she is. She's called the Perforated logo shoulder bag. She is. Nice guitar strap to go crossbody. And she's basically 9 by 9 inches by 3 inches deep. So plenty of room for everything you need. I love just everything about this bag. I love the wine color. I love the shoulder strap. It's a really great thickness. I'd say it's almost 2 inches. I love the fact that the fabric, this is polyurethane, the main part of the bag, and it's actually made from recycled fibers, as well as the polyester of the strap is made from recycled fabric. And there are no chemical solvents, so all the coloring and the solvents they've used in it are water-based, which is much friendlier not only for the environment, but for the people who are making the fabric and then eventually using it. Let's take a closer look at the bag. So here she is up close. There's the perforations, which actually you can see through if you look really carefully. No, you can't. Okay, good. But you can see light. When you open it up and look inside the bag, you can see light there. So she's got this metal clasp, which is fairly secure. And then inside, there's a larger slip pocket and a smaller slip pocket. And did you hear that close? Yeah, it's really secure. I like that. And this is the Farfetch tag. I got it from Farfetch, which is an online luxury distributor, and I got a wicked sale. It was literally half price. So yeah, that was awesome. So I have to cut this off if I want to keep it, which I do. And here's the bag on, crossbody. It weighs nothing. It's less than a pound. It's super light. I just think it's so cute. The crossbody strap is adjustable at 2 places. There's this strap keeping it down, and then here's the actual adjustment. And I'm, for reference, I'm 5'3" on a good day. Haha. There she is again. And on the shoulder, she's now long, but still wearable, although I prefer crossbody because I'm shoulderly challenged. Now let's see what fits inside. So we've got a pouch. We've got a wallet. We've got a Samsung A5. Tissues. We've got a 6-ring key holder. And look at that. Tons of room, and the bag is not heavy at all. Can't wait to use this bag. She is super cute. There she is on with items in. So there you go, folks. Vegan, environmentally friendly, and super cute. I guess that's it for my reveal. First impressions, but so far loving the bag and really excited about what looks like good quality and certainly good environmentally friendly properties. So hope you're having a great day or evening, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for dropping in.